Hello, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me. This is the July 2019 Birchbox. The theme is called Love You. It's all about embracing your beauty and your flaws and love you. So there's a lot of cool products. We also have a coupon. Let's get into them. So hey, we got the Birchbox, July 2019. Love you. Get ready to embrace it all this month. So we got a coupon for 20% off discovery kits and limited edition boxes. I might use that because I have a whole bunch of Birchbox points. And, so we got somebody that was, self-conscious about her teeth. And there we go. It says, we want your Birchbox to be a reminder to take care of yourself inside and out. The person on your front of your card is one of 6 we're featuring this month who has overcome an insecurity to feel more confident in her skin. And then we have the hashtag #ToYouLoveYou. So if you want to see all the other peeps, I used to be insecure about those when I was younger. Now I'm not. So there's that. So products, yeah. So we have a Balance Me. It is congested skin serum. It's a calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment to refine pores and balances skin without drying it. Apply a thin layer. Yay, it's 99% natural. Then we have Davines. I love this brand. It is hair and body wash. Ooh. It's a revitalizing gel that cleanses from head to toe. So you can use it on your hair. You can use it on your body. Fun times. I'm excited. Let's see if there's a little seal on here. Otherwise we'll smell it too. Ooh, it's got a nice smell. Yeah. Excited to try that. Okay, if you know me, you know I love MAC. You know I do a lot of things with MAC. Yes. Lip gloss in yes. Let's see here. Yeah, let's try it on. My cat's probably gonna come out now. She was gonna be like, what? So it is a creamy, pearly lip gloss. I would possibly put this over top of Viva Glam 2. I have the reissue. Yes, it'll make your lips. And we have NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Smooth Blowout Lotion. It creates a protective barrier around your hair so it's smooth and easier to style. So you can put it on damp hair and blow dry it, or you can put it on dry hair to tame your flyaways. Definitely going in the model bag if it's going to tame flyaways. Then we have Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Get that exfoliation going on. Then we have Real Chemistry Environment Rescue Essential Day Cream. Ooh, it's an anti-aging moisturizer that quickly absorbs into the skin to provide 12-hour hydration. I'm excited to try. Little pouches are just so cute. It's like, they're just adorable. Anyway, those are the products. Hashtag #ToYouLoveYou, July 2019. That's me. Until next time, stay beautiful.